Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to replace rear shocks in a 2006 Ford E350. And the first step on this one is going to be a 14mm wrench. What you do is, I don't know if you can see right there, is you get it right on top of the nut. And what's going to happen is that it's all going to get stuck right there. So basically what you're going to have to do on the bottom is use something to hold on to this metal boot right here, and then loosen the boot while you hold it on top with your left hand. Just take the pipe wrench, you put it on the boot, you get your hand on the wrench on top and hold it with your left hand, so that way you can turn this, and it turns. There we go. You're going to keep on doing this turning motion for a little bit, so that way it comes off. So right hand with the pipe wrench, left hand on the wrench. The little nut's got to come off eventually, so you got to just keep doing this till it comes off. Now with the nut, the washer, and the little rubber grommet, or bushing right there, got those off. So you can see in the back that it's just basically a stud going right through. So the next step is going to be just pushing it down and taking it out. You might have to maneuver it a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah. See, look at that. Got that all done. Next step is going to be undoing this. And if I'm not mistaken, it should be an 18mm. So grab your ratcheting wrench, or you can use a ratcheting wrench, but grab your ratchet, 18mm, and break that puppy loose. There we go. And it is moving on the other side, so let's go find an 18mm wrench to hold it on the other side. You can either use a pry bar if necessary, but I think in this case we can just pull this sucker out. There we go. Got decompressed just like that. Bam. That's how we get it done. Alright, let's go compare it to the new one. Okay, we got the old and the new. So the old right here. Push it down. Boom. So the new. Okay, that one's a little stiff, but that's okay. Just for reference, so that way we know how it goes on. This is the old one. As you can see on the bottom, the washer goes under the bushing, and on the top, it's going to be in this order. It's going to go, so this is the piece of metal, the frame or whatever it holds onto. It's going to go like that, and then boom, and you're going to have it like that. And just basically compress this, stick it back up in there, and reverse the process. You really do have to squeeze it into place and then kind of maneuver it a little bit. And it's under pressure right now, so you got to be careful. But you could kind of squeeze it because it wants to push down. It just needs to be directed. Okay, and sometimes you can use a screwdriver that can align it. There we go. Yes. Yes. Hold up. You gotta be careful though. Don't want it to slip out of place. Slipping out of place. Push it up. There we go. See, I've got to thread it in. Rest of it is clockwork. Oops, wrong way. So this is a ratcheting wrench, so you gotta be careful on those ones. That ain't never coming out. Alright, now we're gonna move on to the front, or the top. And so remember what I said about the things, these things, the order that they go in. So now it's time to tighten it. So you grab the boot and tighten it, but you see the top's moving, so get your left hand in there, and then you can just hold it while tightening it up. And when it gets about snug enough, you could probably just tighten it off with a wrench on the top, and you should be good. All right, and just like that, tightened up the top, and we are done. That's how you change out rear shocks on a Ford E350. Don't worry, I'm going to do the other side, but just off camera. So, If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you got any insight, please comment down below, and configure this out a faster way. Thank you.